A person wants to pierce a nail in his room's wall. As the moving hammer strikes the nail, it moves in the direction of the applied force. Thus, the work done is positive as the force exerted and direction of motion of the object is same. So the nature of work done is positive. Now, as the nail is struck by the hammer, the nail also exerts a force on hammer. Thus, the work done is negative as the applied force and the direction of motion of the object is opposite. So the nature of the work done is negative. Net work done on the nail by the hammer is positive, while the net work done on the hammer by the nail is negative. Here, the boy is trying to push the heavy box. Though he applied force on the box, but the box didn't get displaced from its position. As the applied force could not produce any displacement in the object, so work done is zero. When a ball rolls down on a smooth surface, then the frictional force is zero. Though the ball has covered a larger distance, but as the force applied is zero, the work done is also zero. A porter applies force in upward direction to lift the luggage from the ground, and luggage also gets displaced in the same direction. Thus, work is done. But as the porter starts walking after keeping luggage on his head, work done becomes zero. Do you know why? In this case, the porter applies force in vertical direction to balance the weight of the luggage, but no displacement is produced in the luggage in the direction of force. Thus, work done is zero.